Welcome to Unit 5, Lesson 2. What should we do? Before we start, make sure you can hear and see me well. Turn on the speakers of your computer. Check your internet connection. If you need, you can have a notebook and a pen to take notes during the course. Today, we will talk about actions we can take to reduce pollution and protect the environment. The idea is to discuss ways in which we can make our cities healthier and cleaner. Let's begin. Federico is a biologist and an amateur photographer. Look at the photos he took. Activity 1. What can you see? Use the words given to write sentences about the pictures. Last week, Federico went for a walk, took some pictures, and interviewed some locals about the situation of the city and environment. He wrote an article and posted it in the local newspaper. Activity 2. Read the article and decide which of these sentences best aligns with what Federico says. Only one answer is correct. Activity 3. Match the words or expressions to the picture that best represents it. In his article, Federico shares the perspectives of some locals in relation to the problem the city has. For example, the sidewalks are in bad conditions. Car tires are damaged due to street holes. There is litter all over the place. Kids play with garbage bags and mess up the place. Garbage can produce illnesses. As you can see, the city faces many problems. Federico asked himself, what can we as citizens do to reverse this situation? The neighbors answer Federico's questions. Let's take a look at their ideas. We should ask the mayor to use better materials to repair the streets. We should create groups of people to collect litter from the streets. We should remove the loose or destroy parts of the sidewalks. Activity 4. Look at these four problems. Match them with a possible solution or suggestion. In the previous activity, you matched the problem with a possible solution or suggestion to solve it. In English, we use should and shouldn't to give suggestions. Other expressions you can use are we can, we could, or it's a good idea too. These are some of the key expressions learned in this lesson. Take a look, then move on to the next stage. Welcome to the practice stage. Federico's neighbor, Anna, is also concerned about the overall situation of the city and the neighborhood. Let's listen to a dialogue between them.
Federico, the city is getting so polluted. We should do something about it.
Yes, you're right, Anna. We shouldn't ignore this problem. It's getting worse every day.
Why don't we start a cleanup campaign in our neighborhood?
That's a great idea. We could organize a group of volunteers to help us. Maybe we can ask our friends and neighbors.
Yes, and we could also talk to the mayor about planting more trees in the parks and along the streets. More trees can help clean the air.
That's true. And it's a good idea to encourage people to recycle more. We can make posters and put them around the neighborhood to remind people.
Definitely. We should also tell our friends and family to use less plastic. Using reusable bags and bottles can make a big difference.
Yes, and maybe we can have a workshop to teach people about recycling and reducing waste.
That's a great idea, Federico. Together we can make our city cleaner and greener.
Listen to the dialogue between Federico and Anna. Decide if the following statements are true or false. Activity 6. Read and match the two halves to make coherent sentences. For example, we should do something about pollution. Great job! You practiced a lot. Now, let's move to the next and final stage. Welcome to this stage. Let's listen to Monica describing one of the main pollution problems in her city.
I think one of the main pollution problems in the city I live in is that streets are littered with garbage. I don't know why people are so unconscious about the impact this has on our health and environment. The local government should implement stricter regulations, promoting community cleanup efforts, and educating residents on the importance of responsible disposal.
Now it is your time to share. Answer these questions. What is one of the main pollution problems in your city? What possible solutions could you suggest to reduce the problem? Share your ideas in the forum. You can follow this example if you want. Thanks for posting your answer in the forum. Remember, you can read your classmates' posts and make comments. It's a great opportunity for you to interact. Activity 7. This is a writing activity. Look at the pictures. They represent actions we can take to reduce pollution. Write sentences using the pictures as prompts. Follow the example. We are about to finish the lesson. In this lesson, you've learned how to give suggestions or solutions to a given problem. We try to answer the question, what should we do? I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Remember that if you have questions, doubts, or if there's anything you would like to share with your classmates or your tutor, you can do it in the forum. Hope to see you next class. Bye bye.